How to log out from Temu. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to log out from Temu, what you can do is, first of all, launch the application on your device. Now after you do that, it will take you to Temu's homepage where you can shop for the items you like. Now in order to log out, in the bottom right corner you can see the option that says you. Tap on it, then it will show you your profile. Now from here what you're gonna do is, in the top right corner you can see this icon over here. Tap on it, then it will take you to settings. From settings, in the bottom of the page you can see the option that says sign out. Tap on sign out, then it will show you two options that are switch accounts and sign out. If you want to switch account from one of your account to the other one, you can tap on switch account. But if you do not want to do that and simply sign out from Temu, tap on sign out. Then you can either choose the option remember or not now. After you select any one of them, go to sign out, and after you do that you will successfully be signed out from Temu. So this is how you can log out or sign out from Temu. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.